Hello. Welcome to the first episode of It's Those Guys Food Reviews. Testing episode. So today I am at Capriottie's, where I'm going to try the... oh shit, I can't reverse the camera now. I'm going to try the Bobbie. It's their most famous sandwich. So, if you'll be so kind as to hold that for me. Alright, there, good. Alright. Got that right? Alright. So, alright, we'll go ahead and give a bite out of this. I heard it was a pretty good sandwich. My friend over here said it was like one of the best sandwiches they've ever had. It's their signature sandwich. They talk a lot about it. It's their selling point. Oh, the Bobbie invented. I mean, they actually have a thing over there to tell you where it's invented. So I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this and see how it tastes. Stop laughing. It's got mayonnaise, turkey, cranberry sauce, and stuff. And you know what? It's got a damn good sandwich. Alright. That easily gets a 5 out of 6. It's been the first episode of It's Those Guys Food Reviews. Thanks for watching. See you next time.